Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made another miniature red truck tier tray decor piece. This one is for St. Patrick's Day. I did change it up from how I made the other holiday ones, so stay tuned and I'll let you know how I did it. I'm very sad to say this is my last project with these because it's my last little truck. I'll have to buy some more. You'll need 6 of the Jenga blocks. One of these St. Patrick's Day necklaces. They come in a pack of 2. You'll also need some glitter cardstock, some of the diamond wrap from DollarTree. Using wood glue, I glued my 6 pieces Jenga blocks together. Once the glue set, I spray painted it with gold spray paint. I sanded down and took apart the little truck ornament, and I gave that a quick spray paint with the gold. And then I created my tires the same way I always do. This time I used some glitter cardstock for the hubcaps. And I also added some diamond wrap to my fenders. And I cut one of those shamrocks from the necklace and I attached that to the truck. Then I took all my little letters apart, and obviously it's tiny, so all I could do is glue in happy, 3 shamrocks, and day, and put my glitter to the back, and it was done. Hope you enjoy my project. I'm going to love having it in my tier tray. Leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, I'd love for you to consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.